Look at that. Just right in the cloud. So you can see his cloud right in your face. Look at that. One day it's nice and pretty and warm. Yesterday sun was out from time to time. Today just thick with clouds and high winds. I got my mittens on because my gloves are soaked. My gloves are just wet wool knit gloves, and eventually a cloud fog saturated them. Hopefully these will get me through the day. I can dry the stuff out in the shelter tonight. I don't know if I'll get 20 miles in this or not. It'll be tough to get 20 miles in this. The terrain hadn't been too bad, but the weather's a little bit hampering. Seen a little bit of snow mixed into this too, but it's just melting as soon as it hits. But I heard that we're getting some kind of weather system coming from the plains or north central states, but I don't think that's supposed to be here till Saturday or Sunday, and I will be off the trail those days and eating some good daggone food. Yeah! I think next year I might do some trail magic somewhere in Virginia and set up a little hot dogs making, hamburger making or something at the trail, one of the trail places where folks come through. I think my daughter would enjoy doing that with me. All my kids might enjoy that actually. And my wife and Nugget. Because without saying I miss my wife, but I miss my old Nugget. Can't imagine. I worry she thinks I'm not coming back. But my wife's bringing her with her. When I get to this next shelter, wherever it is, I'll pull in there where I can get out of the rain and eat a little something real quick and look at my toe and see if I'm getting a blister, if I need to tape it or what, or something in my sock. Oh. All right. Turtle Thump out until next time. If I can find a button for my mittens on.